Hello my dear crafters. So today I bring you a miniature because you know I love them. It's my thing. I love making miniature things. These can be, it's a small cutting board. Let me show you one here so you can see it well. It's a tiny cutting board and you can use it in two ways. Either as an ornament for a small tree, you can make a whole tree just out of these, or as a tag. So for example, let's say you give some kind of food to your friends during Christmas, like cookies. Here in the US, people do that a lot. They bake their cookies and they give it away. This would be a great tag. You can just write on the back to and from, or like a little tiny miniature message and use it as a tag. All you need to do is just add a ribbon. So do whatever you want, or you can just be a decoration piece. So do what you want. I just want to show you some of them, and I'm showing you today how to make two kinds. So one is by covering the whole thing with paper. I'll show you how to do that, and also using the stickers, or you can just use this one. I use a sticker. This one is just a little piece of paper, of leftover paper. So use what you have at hand. And I also use these little tiny bows. If you have die cuts, that cutting dies that make bows, great. This is actually from Brazil, so you will not find it here unless you live in Brazil. I bought them last time I went to Brazil. And I love them, but you can use any kind of bow. You can just tie a bow and glue it too, or not. You don't have to have a bow. See, this one doesn't have it. So do whatever you love. And also, if I find this little, I bought this miniature candy cane. I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but here's what I did. I glued some candy cane to the miniature cutting board. Okay, so let's just play around. This one has the candy cane too, and it's glued so it doesn't come off. So let me show you what you can do with them. And they come in a bag, and I believe they come in 10s, and I'll have the link below to those. That's how they come, just plain wood, and then you just decorate it with whatever you have. We're going to start with the paper, okay? And I already have this one is a cutting die, so I have this paper bowl here. We're going to use that to decorate. I'm going to put that aside. So here's how you do it. So we are going to cut the paper by just tracing it. You're just going to trace it around. Let me zoom in for you. We're going to trace here. And I can use like the edge of the paper so I don't have to cut that and trace that. I'm just gonna use maybe it's very, very aligned. So use your pencil, trace it. And then you're going to cut it. Just use one of those smaller scissors. There, I cut it. I'm going to use this side. So let me just see which side is the right one. That's the right one. So you don't have to, if you want the hole to be punched, here's what you do. And you can just not do that because it's personal preference. If you don't want it to be punched, we're going to trace it too. And you're going to use a paper punch to punch that off. Okay, let me go get mine. So I have my punch here, and I'm not just going to punch the hole. It's perfect. So we're going to glue it now. Just add glue to the whole surface of your wood. These are so cute, and they're such, everybody who comes to, I've had some friends coming over these past few days for crafting, and my glue is not coming out. And when they see this, it's, oh my goodness, this is so cute. What is this as well? You know, I actually saw them online and I said, I need to do something with that. I didn't know what, but I just bought it. So I'll find out. I'll come up with something. But I just cannot, I can't resist a miniature. That's the problem. It's a problem that I have. So you're just going to glue it. This is the one that takes a little longer, but the next one, guys, you see how quick we do that. You can just sit in front of a TV and do it. I'm gonna use my bone folder just to press it down a little bit. It's the most useful tool, honestly, guys. And if you have something a little bit too much here, it's better to have too much and be able to cut it. That's it. It's perfect. So we're going to add our beautiful bowl. So I'm gonna add this here. Okay, so I need glue on the whole thing. I'm gonna use this. Makes it easier. So add a bow on it. Always makes it better if you have a beautiful bowl. There you go. So here, it's beautiful. I love it. There you go. We have your bowl and it's done. We can add some ribbon. Let's add some ribbon, because if you are using it as an ornament, you need ribbon. So just make sure it's half here. Just fold it in half. See that it's even. And you're going to poke it through. And then you pull like this. So there you go. You have the ornament. It's ready. You can either put another knot here or just leave it open. So that's one for you. That's ready. The other one is just using whatever you have in terms of... I'm going to try to find something here. I have this sticker book. It's great for stickers, for using your stickers. And we're going... I have these squares here. These are very nice. Let It Snow. Let It Snow is a nice one. Let me see. It's gonna be gold. Maybe an animal. I love these animals here. Yes. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, this one for sure. And this sticker book here is from Hobby Lobby. So there we are. We're going to make this one. Look how quick that is. No problem at all. If you're in a hurry, this is the best option. Use stickers. So we have this beautiful animal here. I'm going to use another tiny bow that I found here in my stack. This is from a collection of bow dies. I have a lot of bow dies because I love bows. Get some of this glue off. Oh, this is actually absolutely perfect for these things. I'm gonna cut more of those. So look at that. How beautiful is that? Very simple. And again, you can use it as a tag or as an ornament. And there you are. Quickest video ever. So I'm just gonna put some here so you get some more ideas, okay? I really love these little candy canes too. They add a lot. So do whatever you love. I like this one, Merry Christmas. So there you go. Whole bunch. Hope you like this video. Very simple, but it's one of those decoration things that make all the difference, okay? Thank you so much, and you have a great day. Hi guys, just a quick reminder that I have a new online class where you learn how to make these beautiful gift bags in 3 different sizes, not just like this, closed with this closure here, but also open. So you have classes on teaching how to make it open like this and also closed in all 3 sizes. So you learn a lot of different ways on using your handles, attaching them, and many different ways on how you can embellish your gift bags. So that's it. If you're interested, just click on the link below. It's in the description of this video, and thank you very much for your time and support.